us have a quick overview of the CBCR module. The module is divided into 4 sections: General, Entity Data, Country-by-Country Data, and Analytics. The fastest way to use the platform is to select the Quick Start option from the General section. You should drag and drop your last year's CBCR XML file in the Quick Start section. For instance, if you have 2020 CBCR in XML, you can drop that file in the Quick Start section and instantaneously access analytics and insights for this year. To prepare subsequent year CBCR, for instance, 2021, you need to click on Year Selection from the General section and click on Create New Year. If you want to roll forward the qualitative information, such as the list of constituent entities, their tax identification number, address, etc., from 2020, select the option Copy Data from Reporting Year and select the year 2020. If you are not using the Quick Start feature, click on Year Selection from the General section and create a new year. Then fill in the details of constituent entities, such as the entity's name, tax jurisdiction, address, tax identification number, etc., in the Legal Entities section. The next step is to fill the data in the Country-by-Country Data section. This section is identical to Tables 1, 2, and 3 in OECD CBCR format. In the Financial Data subsection, you fill in jurisdiction-wise financial data, such as unrelated and related party revenue, income tax paid, number of employees, etc. If you want to provide a specific explanation for any data point, click on the plus sign in each cell and incorporate your text. Afterward, select appropriate business activities and fill in additional information, if any. Once all the details are included, click on Validate and Convert. If there is any validation error, it will be identified automatically. You can fix the issue by clicking on Fix in Entity Summary. After all the validation errors are fixed, click on the Convert and Download XML button to generate an XML version of CBCR ready for filing with tax authorities. The last and the most significant section of the CBCR module is Analytics. It helps you identify any tax risks before you file your CBCR with tax authorities. ART Advanced Analytics allows you to review your CBCR data across more than 30 views to identify potential tax risks. The built-in interactive dashboard will enable you to get real-time insights under multiple customizable iterations.